Okay, hello everybody, my name is Vin and I am in team 3 and we have 6 people. Now we will introduce how to maximize the revenue and our representation will have 3 parts. The first part is about the theory, will be represented by Lan Anh. The second part is about the first example, will be represented by Hoa, and finally Nguyễn will represent the final example. And now Lan Anh will give you the theory.
Okay, thank you, Thảo. Next, I'm going to talk about the theory of how to maximize revenue. Basically, there are 3 steps in this part. The first step is write the equation of total revenue. As we all may know, total revenue is equals to price multiplied by quantity sold. So, due to this equation, we can write the total revenue in terms of Q. Next, we take the derivative of total revenue and put this into 0 in order to calculate the quantity and price at which total revenue will be maximized. So, the last step would be to calculate the total revenue at which the price and quantity are sold. We can have the total revenue at some point that it will be maximized. So next, in order to understand this theory better, we'll give you 2 examples. And then the first examples will be presented by Ms. Hoa.
At this step, we have to consider about the second derivative of TR. In the step 1, we have the second derivative of TR is minus 6. It's a negative constant, so we have to give to the conclusion that the total revenue is maximized at 27. Now we move to the second example with more clear point with Mr. Nguyễn.
Okay, now let's move to the second example. In this example, we want to use the demand function as P equal S minus 2Q. Following all the previous steps as Ms. Hoa has introduced, we can calculate the total revenue equal S when Q equal 2. But I want to introduce further about how to sketching the total revenue function as well as the demand function. Now, at first, how to sketch the total revenue functions. The horizontal axis is quantities, and the vertical axis is represent the price. So we need to construct the price value given the quantities. As you can see here, given the quantity equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have representative price. So now we have 5 points. This one, here, and connect all 5 points. We can connect all 5 points here. We can construct the total revenue function as SQ minus 2Q squared. And here you can see the point where the total revenue is maximized as Q equal 2 and total revenue is 8. Okay, now let's move to the demand, sketching the demand functions. It's much easier than the total revenues. All you need is sketch 2 linear lines. The first one is demand function, which is 8 minus 2Q, and the second one is marginal revenue, which is S minus 4Q. And I think you can do it easier.
Okay, so we just have present about how to maximize the revenue. It's conclude
The theory example 1, example 2, and the graph. Thanks for watching video.